Good day. This is HJT Views on Current Affairs. We will discuss today on the vaccination program of India and how it is progressing. Let there not be any doubt that vaccinating 100 crore people, which is a billion people, is not a small achievement. And everybody involved, whether it is government, central and state, whether it is health workers, whether it is frontline workers, whether it is hospitals, whether it is just sheer people power, everybody needs to be complimented on this wonderful achievement, which has shown that Indian democracy can work when it wants to and work very effectively without making a big song and dance about things. However, we must not forget that we have a long way to go. There are many who have not received their first shot or their second shot. Those need to be implored and requested to come and complete the vaccination formality. That's going to be tough, but for the sake of everybody in the country, this needs to be done. The second thing, of course, is that we have still not opened up fully the vaccination for certain age groups, and I hope that as this progress continues, more and more age groups will be brought under the vaccination exercise. However, there's one major danger that we are confronting, which the PM also mentioned in his last speech, and that is that we are coming into festival time. Deepavali festival is shortly going to be upon us, and we know that festival time means crowded and busy markets, etc. Also, the state governments have started opening up more and more. This must not result in the spike of infections. I think as people of this country, we will need to be very, very responsible in our social etiquette and behavior, whether it is not going out unnecessarily, whether it is being masked all the time, whether it is avoiding crowded marketplaces. It's going to be our responsibility to ensure that we don't do anything that endangers us or endangers others because of us. This is a big ask. I admit it is a very big ask for a country with such a big population in such a restricted area of land. But this is an ask that all of us will necessarily have to fulfill. We all know that certain other nations are seeing the rise of infections again. China, Russia, UK, some countries of Europe, all of them are again mentioning that COVID infections are coming back. In India, as we feel happy with our progress and we feel that the vaccination exercise has been reasonably well done, let us not get overconfident and cocky and believe that the worst is over. The worst is not over. In fact, every day is a day to watch and prepare and observe so that we don't mess up anywhere. To date, yes, the second wave was very difficult, but we seem to have managed to bring it under some control. Things are looking promising, and it is only hoped that we don't do anything which can reverse all the gains that we have enjoyed till now. So, whilst festivities and festivals are important, let us also be responsible. For every right to enjoy, there is also the duty of responsibility and good behavior. With this, I'll end my talk of today. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Mumbai. Bye.